Hi, my name is Rachel Quee. I'm a pianist and piano teacher, and we're going to talk today about how to make melodies out of scales. This is a fun process and it's very open-ended. So if you know the basics, then you can start creating your own melodies just based on a simple scale. We're going to take the C major scale into consideration to help us construct a melody. I'm going to begin by playing the C major scale so you can hear it. Several of the pitches in the C major scale are what we call active, that is, they need to resolve, and some are resting, in that the piece or the melody could end there. C, E, and G are resting pitches. D, F, A, and B are active. Therefore, when I play D, it wants to move somewhere. In fact, it wants to move to C. If I keep that in mind, I can construct a melody that will make sense to my Western trained ear. Let's try improvising a little bit. As you can hear, I've just improvised a basic melody within the C major scale. I'm considering my active pitches and moving them towards resting pitches, and then I'm moving on from those resting pitches to find new active ones. You can experiment with this indefinitely, and then begin to add in pitches that don't belong to the scale that you're working with. When you do this, you're on your way to discovering new creative experiences at the piano. So by using active and resting pitches and bearing in mind the structure of the scale that you're working with, you can start constructing your own melodies out of a scale. My name is Rachel Quee. I'm a pianist and piano teacher, and we've talked today about how to make melodies from a scale.